Hi everyone, my name is Trevor Wernisch, and welcome to my course, Typography, Getting Started. I'm a creative director and freelance designer, and whether you're a visual designer looking to build out their typographical skill set, a seasoned programmer or engineer that wants to speak more fluently in design, or just a curious human that takes interest in expanding their horizons and gaining new knowledge, this course will absolutely have something for you. We'll be covering the broad strokes of all things typography, and will be a veritable grab bag of historical type knowledge, introductory design concepts, technical knowledge, and the practical application of typography in design systems. We can't talk about typography without also talking about the various surrounding design elements, so we will be interweaving plenty of design discussion into many of these lessons. We will talk a bit about systems from a design perspective, and some technical and implementation knowledge will be covered. This discussion will be focused on type in digital applications, like mobile apps and web design, but we'll also touch on other mediums where type exists, like print media. This course is a mix of subjective and objective content. Some of the topics discussed will be by-the-book industry standards, while other topics will integrate my professional and practical knowledge about actual usage, implementation, and best practices. By the end of this course, you'll have a firm grasp on the high-level mechanics and design sensibilities of typography. No prior design knowledge is required before beginning this course, but I will touch on some aspects of type in various design programs. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn typography with the Typography Getting Started course at Pluralsight.